Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a CUBOT R19. First of all, open your Google application, and then in the bottom right corner, in the top right corner we got a Google account icon, so click it and go Settings. Then choose Google Assistant, and here need to scroll down and find General option. This one. Then click here to turn off Google Assistant. Click Confirm operation, turn off one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.